Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to join or sign up to Bet365 and get access to their sign up offers and bonuses. So what you can do is go over to your mobile device. I'm using an iPhone right here, but it's the exact same on Android. So open Bet365, it's going to launch the app. From there, we've got access to Bet365 on your mobile device, and you've not created your account yet. What you need to do is go up to the top left, go to offers, and then from there, the first offer is this one right here, open account offer. So if you bet or if you deposit £10 of your own money and then use that £10 to bet on something on Bet365, Bet365 will give you £50 in free bets credited to your account in the future. So if you want that, then click in there and then press the yellow join now button. And then from there, what you need to do is fill out all of your details. So the first one, country of residence. As I'm a UK citizen, I don't need to change this, but you can come into here to this drop down menu and select whichever country you reside in. From there, so type in your email address, your phone number, your title, first name, last name, date of birth, and your nationality. So on the next page, we need to start typing in your address. So go in there and fill out your address. And after you've done that, press continue. And from there, guys, you need to type in a password. So I'm going to do that now. And then scroll down, receive information on free bets and offers. Yes, please. Bonus code. We don't actually need to type in an additional bonus code because you've pressed the join now button via the promotion and offer on the Bet365 app. So the promotion and offer is linked to your sign up that you're currently doing. And then go to terms and conditions. If you're over the age of 18, tick this, make sure you've read all the terms and agreements from there, and then press join Bet365. From there, Bet365 is going to send a code to your mobile number that you've used to register your account. I'm going to press get code, and it's appeared in my messages, so I can actually access it from here on the iPhone. Press that, press verify. And once everything has been completed, guys, it brings you to this deposit page. So as I mentioned before, if you actually want to make the most of the sign up bonus you have signed up for, then what you have to do is deposit in here, go through all the different payment methods, select which one you want. From there, if it's just a debit card, then type in your card number, your card holder name, expiry date, 3-digit code, enter the deposit amount for the sake of the video, £10. And then from there, scroll down, deposit limits, gives you the option to select a deposit limit. Select that I have read, acknowledge, and agree to the above, and then I press the green button, acknowledge, and deposit £10. However, I'm going to press the X on the top right as I'm not going to deposit right now. Click out of here, and we are currently inside my account. So guys, as a final point, to actually be able to access the open account offer and get the £50 in free bets back to your account, you actually need to verify your account as well. So we can go up here to the avatar on the top right, and then go to the My Account section. And then from there, go down to verification. And it says in here, if you have deposited by one of the below listed payment methods, i.e. debit card or Apple Pay or Google Pay or whatever, you will need to provide 2 of the following forms of additional verification in order to claim the open account offer. So down here, you'll see additional verification options. You can use a driving license, an ID card, passport, residency permit, postal verification codes. So let's just say you have your driving license and ID card available. Go to upload identity document, go to driving license, and then follow all the processes from there. Consent, press start, go through that section. I'm going to press back, upload identity documents again. Let's say you have your ID card or your passport or your residency permit or visa. You can upload from there. But the last one, postal verification, press in there, and basically the address that you used to create your account, Bet365 are going to send a letter to that address, and once you receive that letter, there should be a code inside, and you can come here to this section, enter that code in this field, press submit, and your account will be verified from there so that you can utilize the open account offer from Bet365. So hopefully guys, you've been able to create your account on Bet365 and use the sign up offer that you get access to. If this video has been helpful, I would really appreciate a like and subscribe. And if you do have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down below and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Thanks very much.